Something big is brewing at DJI, and if you've been paying attention to the drone world, you might already feel that shift in the air. It's not often that a compact drone gets this much buzz, especially before an official launch, but that's what's happening with the DJI Neo 2. And while DJI has been tight-lipped about it, the signs are all there. This isn't just another small upgrade, it looks like the Neo 2 might change how we think about mini drones entirely. Let's rewind a bit. A few months ago, during a low-key teaser moment, we got the tiniest glimpse of what looked like the Neo 2 sitting subtly next to the DJI Avata 3. It wasn't the focus of the event, but it was enough to get people talking. Fast forward to now, and things are heating up. The Neo 2 has officially shown up in FCC listings, thanks to drone analyst Mauro Tandoy, who caught it in the wild. Now, for those unfamiliar, FCC certification is a pretty big deal. It doesn't mean the drone is launching tomorrow, but it does confirm that it's real, and more importantly, it means it's legally approved to be sold in the US now. Let's break down what that really means. FCC listings are often one of the final public steps before a product launch. They mean testing is done. The device has met safety and interference standards, and manufacturers are usually ready to ship, or very close to it. But here's the catch. Just because something is FCC approved, doesn't mean DJI is going to press the launch button right away. Sometimes, they hold off for weeks, sometimes months. It all depends on their marketing calendar and how they want to roll out related products. So while the Neo 2 is coming, and coming soon, don't expect it to drop overnight. So what do we actually know about the DJI Neo 2? Well, let's start with the design. A key leak has surfaced, and this one's worth pausing for. A prototype image shows off a drone with double-layered propeller guards. That's new. It's not just a cosmetic change either. The guard design suggests a focus on safety and control, especially in tighter environments. For indoor flyers or those filming in dense areas, this could be a game-changer. These new guards look sleeker, more streamlined, and probably help improve aerodynamics while protecting the rotors. But that's just the beginning. The Neo 2 is rumored to come with a lighter, more modern body. While it won't look completely different from the original Neo, it's expected to be more refined. Think of it like Apple's iPhone upgrades, familiar on the outside, but packed with changes underneath. That lighter frame will likely help improve flight time, reduce strain on the motors, and enhance the drone's agility. But most importantly, it clears room for bigger tech inside. That brings us to the camera. One of the strongest rumors out there is that the DJI Neo 2 will feature a larger camera sensor, possibly something in the range of a 1.3-inch sensor, similar to what you'd find in DJI's higher-end mini drones. That's a huge leap forward. A bigger sensor means better low-light performance, higher dynamic range, and sharper details in both photos and video. It also opens up possibilities for better stabilization and more professional results right out of the box. And what about obstacle avoidance? Now, this is where things get exciting. The first Neo model didn't have much in this department. It was simple, no flaws. The Neo 2, however, is rumored to take that to the next level. We're talking serious upgrades here, potentially even full-on obstacle detection in multiple directions. This could include sensors on the front, bottom, and maybe even the sides. If DJI includes their ActiveTrack or ActiveTrack 6.0 systems, this drone will become far more powerful than its size suggests. Imagine tracking a moving subject through trees, buildings, or even indoors, and doing it with the kind of accuracy you usually only see on premium drones. That's the promise here. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Aside from the prototype leak and FCC filing, everything else is still unconfirmed. We don't have final images. DJI hasn't made any public announcements, and pricing is still a mystery, but the pieces are starting to fit together. Based on their past release patterns, we can make some educated guesses. DJI tends to announce drones in waves, especially as summer winds down. This keeps them in the news cycle, builds hype, and aligns with their global launch strategy. And with products like the DJI Mini 5 Pro rumored to launch around August 7th, it's not a stretch to imagine the Neo 2 coming shortly after, or even alongside it. Now, let's talk about the competition. The mini drone market has exploded in recent years, but not all of them deliver. DJI has long dominated this space, thanks to their combination of solid engineering, great image quality, and easy-to-use software. But rivals like Autel and Hubsan are pushing in with their own compact solutions. DJI needs to stay ahead, and the Neo 2 might be their answer. With upgraded safety, a better camera, and improved flight features, it's shaping up to be a response to that pressure. The bigger question is, who is the Neo 2 for? That's where things get interesting. Unlike the Mini series, which is aimed at casual flyers and hobbyists, the Neo line feels more experimental, more modular. It's the kind of drone that creators love because it's small, agile, and easy to carry, but powerful enough for short cinematic shoots. It's also the kind of drone that can fit in places where larger aircraft can't go. So think vloggers, travel filmmakers, YouTubers, and even commercial shooters who need a backup drone for tight spaces. If DJI plays it right, the Neo 2 could find a niche all its own, and we haven't even talked about software yet. Geez, FlyApp is already one of the most refined in the industry. But with new drone launches, they often roll out updated features or modes. For the Neo 2, we could see better tracking algorithms, smarter quickshots, and maybe even an AI-powered flight path planner. This could let users map out shots before takeoff and let the drone handle the rest. It's these small touches that can make a big difference for creators on the go. So to sum up where we are right now, the DJI Neo 2 is no longer a rumor, it's real. It's been FCC certified. It has at least one prototype leak. And based on DJI's product cycle, it's likely just weeks or months away from an official launch. We're expecting a lighter design, a bigger camera sensor, better safety features, and possibly some advanced tracking tools. All of this packed into a drone that's smaller than your water bottle, but potentially smarter than any mini drone DJI has ever made. And that's just the start.